Are you wondering where to find the App Store on your Samsung Smart TV? So I'll show you two different ways how to download and install apps. So recently Samsung actually totally messed up their Smart TV system. It's very bad now. So if you want to download apps, you simply have to go either on the top here. So see we have the app section. And then if you browse here, so see you do not have anywhere where to download additional apps. What you have to do, you simply have to scroll all the way down, and you see you have now different categories for the apps. For example, like music and radio apps. So you can simply pick some up here and install it that way. So you see if you go back, I see we have different categories for the apps here. For example, so you simply pick your app and install it. If you're wondering if you can search for the apps here, then nope, again it's absolutely ridiculous. However, if you want to search for apps, this is what you do. So on the top, we have this universal search now. So it can also be used to search for new apps if you want to download them. So you simply go over here in the search, open it up, and go on the top. You'll see a search bar there. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. So you simply go up, and then as you can use a search function here. So for example, let's enter Netflix, and as you're typing, it's simply going to pull up results for the things that you are searching for. So I'll simply enter Netflix here and press the search button there. And then I see it simply lists different categories of the items. And in one of the categories, so you see you also have your Netflix over here, and also some other related apps to the Netflix. So if you want to install any of these apps, again, click on it and you have the install button. Okay, good luck.